Welcome back, family, everybody. This is MC Recovery, Wellness, and Relapse Show, and I'm gonna hit on another topic about wellness and recovery and stuff, and about let's look at our dieting things. What is we putting inside our system is another part of recovery and wellness and relapse. So you won't be depressed or having any anxieties. So today I figured that I'm going to start doing a series on juicing and smoothies and stuff like that. So the today concoction that I'm going to make is going to have fruit and vegetables. See, so this concoction has spinach. And I'm going to put spinach, 2 bananas, strawberries, garlic, and I'm going to put all the benefits of what these have. I already put the 2 bananas in there. Beets, which is good for the bloodstream and stuff like that. The immune system is an anti-cancer ailment for, to stop the growth of cancer, and ginger is good for upset stomachs and stuff like that. I'm putting all the descriptions right into the thing. So, this is the first pack of ginger. So when I add all of this to it, let's add some strawberries. Put that in the refrigerator. And some garlic. But what I do, when I do the ginger, sometimes I use a potato cutter. See, so I'm going to get the potato cutter to do some scraping. To scrape the skin. To get most of it off. See? That's ginger. And then what I do after that, put this aside, what I do after that, see, ginger. The thing about ginger, it has the benefits, it helps relieve the digestion issues, relieve aching tubes, speed up the metabolism, help protect against cancer, relieve menstrual cramps, lower blood pressure, promote detoxification, fight colds and flu. That's all the benefits of ginger. So, that's where I got it from. This page, I gave y'all 10 descriptions of it. So what I do, I take this cheese grater. See, it got the cuts right here. I can do this side, but I like using this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the beets. So you do this. Get as much of it in there as possible. When you use the beets next, it makes the counter really rattly and red and messed up, so you got to be ready. Sometimes I slide some cilantro in my stuff too, but I'm going to show y'all that on another video of why I like using the cilantro. So this is how the beets come out, the ginger come out. I'm going to put that amount in there. And what you use to war off the beets and the ginger, you get you some of this lemon juice to ward off some of the taste, or either the lime juice. But today we're going to use the lime juice here, or instead of the lemon juice. Soak it right in there. And let's get on the topic for the beets. What's in beets? It conquers heart disease, control blood pressure, beneficial for bones and osteoporosis. Great anti-cancer diet, diet conquers kidney disease, enhances wounds healing, lower cholesterol, cleans blood vessels, anti-aging, detoxification. So it's good for the skin. Ain't that something? And it detoxifies body and pregnancy food, improves immunity. So health benefits. It got fluoric acid, and I'm reading all this stuff from this. And y'all remember I put the garlic in here. Garlic has some great benefits, but let's show you what this beets can do. Now I can try from this end. If I try from this end, it goes like this. It come out like this. And like little chips. But I'm going to do it the other way. The cheese grating way. Why? Because it's faster. I get more. I want to see y'all bet. Guess what color that this is going to turn. See, that's one thing I don't like about the beets. You got to have a lot of space. When I moved here, I would have been and did a video for y'all, but my kitchen counter is so low. Look at all that beets. Roll that right. Do it like this. Make sure you yank your hand and get all that stuff off your hand. I even try to get the rest from here, and I put it right over here. Let's rinse your hand. You see that? I'm put a little beets in there. And then we got the spinach. Cut the cold water off. I always like rinsing some of the spinach. So yeah, rinse the spinach. What I like about juicing and spinach and stuff is that you can always make sure you don't conk out on your spinach. I mean, when tomorrow morning comes and you want a breakfast, and if you got sliced ham or something right in the refrigerator that you haven't been getting to, just chop it up real quick. Throw the spinach right in the skillet and let it get cooked. Damp it with a towel and stuff like that. I might do a video on that. To damp it with a towel, so when you throw it and make you a spinach egg omelet or a spinach egg bowl, and you can put all kind of onions and stuff. Do something just to eat on the way. You can eat it straight up or with tortillas, but that'd be another video. All right, this is how it looks. See, that's how it looks. See, so like I said, garlic kill cancer cells, kill urinary tract infection, kills kidney infections, treat acne. See, garlic got all these benefits. Look up these benefits. Lower cholesterol, kill cold sores, kill expel worms and stuff, exhibit leukemia, kills amplified foot. Dude, it helps. It helps with weight control, everything. And I found out it's good for your libido too. Garlic got all that, and it's all in the middle of here. So it's gonna blend up real good. Even if it don't blend up good, swallow it anyway. It's good. So, and then last but not least, let's talk about what's inside the spinach. The spinach got all kind of things in it, and the health benefits is that it prevents the damage to the skin, anti-inflammatory, all kind of health benefits. Muscle relaxing, prevents kidney disease, improve eyesight. So the thing that I wanted to make sure I don't forget about when you're using beets, though, even though it's good, real good for the bloodstream, the thing with beets is that too much beef, they found, I don't know where the video is, maybe I can bring it up, that it may create kidney stones. So that's one of the warnings about beef. See, I want y'all to look at something. Do y'all see my arm? You see how low my veins and stuff is? Watch what's going to happen when I finish with this concoction. So what I do next, I put some orange juice in here. Look at that. I don't fill it all the way up. I fill it right there, halfway up. So I got this with my breakfast tomorrow, whether I'm eating oatmeal or something. Any orange juice will do because you got all those vitality. But here's my other knockout punch. pH 9.5 alkaline water for the rest. Remember, I put that lemon juice in there. There's some over here. You see that water? So I'm thinking that the strawberry's gonna raise up. I feel like putting some blueberries in here. Maybe, I don't know. We'll put a little bit more of this. Now we're gonna get down to the finale. Put all your stuff in the dishwater. Get it up here. Notice this. See, my gears is made like that. I forgot to show you that. It really sticks to the thing. The reason why I shred the ginger, because I had a blender at one time and the blade broke because I chopped up the ginger and the ginger was that strong. So what I do to keep the coils loose, sometimes I use WD-40 or something like that to make sure that it can spin well. So, you know, let me just put a little right here. Get this out the way. Put the cap on this. Make sure it's tucked in there. I don't want none of the spinach. See? It's in there good. See? And watch this. Then you blend it up. Now some people will blend this up. Will blend it up and they will take out the pulp with a strainer. I don't do that. I just leave it like that. So that's good to do too also. So, you know, it's up to your own discretion. Sometimes I have to do that because it be so much pulp. Then I just add more juice or alkaline water later. So let me get back to this. So you let it blend up real good. Oh man. Let me wipe the top off. Here's one of the tricks I like doing. I like shaking it up and putting it back on here. Make sure it's really good now. Notice I stopped the water when I was pouring it in right in there because the juice do come up like it's doing now. Now we're going to taste this bad baby. Man. Just pour it over here. Wipe it off. Look at this, red. Remember I showed y'all my veins, right? Watch this. Excuse me. See? And to me, it's like, it's just starting to go. A few minutes, everything gonna be looking all like it's running through my body, and I love it. Oh, all this feel all open now. Until then, remember to subscribe. Get back with you. I'm finna go over here to a Christmas event and have some fun. Take care.